Hello YouTubers, I'm Paris and this is our 11th video in Python GUI development with PySide2. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create a status bar in PySide2. So this is from the previous video. We have a status bar in here. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create progress bar. So the first thing we need, I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in my new Python file. I'm going to change this to progress bar. So I need some imports. Okay, let me change this to a Q main window and make this Q main window. I need Q progress bar. Also I need Q status bar. Okay, also let me add a Q label. Okay, so now the first thing I need in the constructor in here, so first I'm going to create self.status label and Q label, and let me give this showing progress. And now I'm going to create the progress bar object. So progress bar and Q progress bar. Now I need to self.set minimum. Self.progressbar.progressbar set minimum. So for the minimum it's 0, and self.progressbar.set maximum, and for the maximum I'm going to give it 100. So after this, let me just create a method in here. So in this section, okay, now in here I'm going to create div create status bar self.status bar Q status bar. So self.status bar, let me just, okay, and now self.progressbar.set value, and the initial value is 10. I'm going to set. Now I need to add the widget to my status bar. So self.status bar.add widget. You can add widgets to your status bar. In the previous video, if you remember, I have added a text, but you can use widget. So we're adding our this self.status label, and self.status bar.add widget. Also I'm going to add the progress bar like this, and now self.status bar self.status bar, and you can use self.status bar. Also you need to call this optional got type Q status bar instead. We have a problem in here. Let me just run this. Oh, sorry, in here you need to add like this, and self.status bar dot set value, self.add widget, and self.set status bar. This is set status bar. Okay, Now we need to call this method in here, in this section. Self dot okay, self dot create status bar. Now let me just run this. Now you can see we have the progress bar with the set value of 10% and also a label in the status bar. So like this you can create progress bar. Thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video.